Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro today for the 2016 Hyundai Tucson, stock number 6603. This ran from the 2015 to the current shape. It has a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory aluminium tyre. Left hand door mirror, left rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, right hand door guard, right hand master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front kitty slide for sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,